Hi everybody and welcome to another video. Today we will be unlocking a phone. I'm gonna show you how to unlock any smartphone, whether it's a Samsung, Motorola, iPhone, any brand. I will show you step by step how to get your phone unlocked. I will be using a Samsung Galaxy, but feel free to follow along with whichever model you have. This will unlock your phone to use it with any SIM card in any country from any service provider. But first, a quick disclaimer. We will not do any type of illegal unlock, and we will not use any type of hacking tool in any way. Phones that are reported as lost or stolen cannot be unlocked. So let's begin with the network unlock. Unlocking a phone is not a free process, but I'll show you the best and the easiest way to remotely unlock your device, meaning that everything is done over the air, no cables, and no software required. Let's begin. Step 1. We need to get the phone's IMEI number. We will get it by dialing *#06#. As you will see, the IMEI number will show up in the screen. This is a 15-digit number. This number can also be found in the box and in the settings of your device. Step 2. We're gonna go to the following website, unlockriver.com. We will include all the links below. Using this tool, we will unlock the phone. We're going to start by selecting the original carrier and the country that your phone is currently locked to. Then we will select the brand, and then we will select the exact model and service. In some cases, you will get multiple services. Some are faster than others, and the prices may change. Next up, insert your IMEI number. This is the number that we got previously. Then insert your email address, and you will receive an email notification with the unlock code or with a notification that your phone has been remotely unlocked. Then you will see the price and an estimated processing time, which does not include weekends. Let's proceed. In the following screen, you will get a summary of your order, check that everything is correct, and please make sure that your phone is actually not already unlocked. Make sure that you have selected the correct original carrier. Then scroll down, place your order, and we will have to wait until the unlock request is processed. It may take a while, so I will be back once the process has been completed. Once your unlock has been processed, you will receive an email. The email should confirm that your phone has been successfully unlocked, and it will include instructions on how to activate the unlock. In some cases, you will need to insert an unlock code, and for other devices, you simply need to connect your phone to Wi-Fi. Step 3. After receiving the notification that your phone has been unlocked, we're going to power off the device, and you will need to remove the SIM card tray and insert a non-supported SIM card. In other words, a SIM card that is different from the original carrier. Once you have inserted a SIM card power on your device, it will take a few seconds to recognize the new device, and a message will pop up requesting the unlock code. If you receive an unlock code in your email, this is the time to enter it, and press unlock. You will get a success message indicating that your phone has now been unlocked. Perfect, now you can use your phone with any carrier anywhere in the world. If you did not receive an unlock code in your email, but you only received the instructions and the confirmation that your phone was unlocked, what you have to do is simply restart your phone, connect it to Wi-Fi, and the unlock will be instantly activated. For some US carriers like T-Mobile, you will need to launch the Device Unlock app, which is an app that is already pre-installed in your device. Simply open the app and click Activate the unlock by pressing Unlock, and your phone should remain permanently unlocked. Your phone is now unlocked and ready to be used with any network. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.